that water's cold. It's going to be a wet ride. Very, very wet ride. I cannot wait though. We're already in the thick. Woo! So post-flood, towards the end of October 2025. This is just the path to get out there. Well, shit, let's go through the deepest one we know of. Right? That's what I'm saying. Ooh, this water's nice and warm. I probably pissed in it. I know I pissed in it. Boy, this is going to be crazy. This is going to be crazy. This is just a path to get out there. I'm looking for some deep stuff though, so this is perfect. Hopefully we don't die. Eiger ain't talking back to me yet. Water. I wonder if it's deep here. I really don't know. Oh, we have a passenger. We have a passenger. Hang on, buddy. Or don't. Honestly, you might not want to. Know how much deeper it's going to be. This is definitely deeper. There's definitely more water. I don't know if it's technically deeper though. I guess we'll see. We're under, boys. Whoa! We're floating. Or we're on a rut. I don't know which. Again, we are stuck in four-wheel drive, so maybe I hit that wheelie real quick. Change things up. Oh, we're on land. What do you know? Hey, that was pretty deep. I don't know if I'm going to stay seated on the next one. Post-flood. Honda who? That frog was on my hand earlier. I don't know where he went. Probably back in the water. Probably back in the water. I'm out here to find water. I'm not going to avoid puddles on the path, alright? I'm going to hit every one. Ooh. I'm sure this is nice and deep. This is nice and deep. We're going under, boys. not too deep, actually. It's not too deep. It's not too deep. We're looking good. We're looking good. Good in the hood. I think I put that cap back on. Let me just make sure I put this back on. Yeah. We're good, we're good, we're good. I think we're good. Who the fuck really knows, you know? You know? I don't know, you know? Who knows? Oh, buddy. We are fucking out here. This is Florida. Welcome to my driveway. You gotta take a four-wheeler that's amphibious, 2 airboats, and eventually one day an aeroplane ride to get to my house. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Everything is... Well, I don't want to sink if the bottom's soft. I don't want to sink in now. Ain't no sinking in. We're hitting water wheelies, boy. Ain't no sinking in. Never. We're officially fully submerged. We're loping along. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're doing great. We're doing great. Fan-fucking-tastic. What a fucking great day. Perfect day for a ride. Everybody looking at me like I'm crazy on my way out here. I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to find out what, where, where's what, who's how. You know, Jelly Bim Bomb Jelly Bean been done up through here with Auntie Susie Ann, and she just, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah. Wow, the playground sure is swamped, I tell you what. I'm trying to find the deepest hole. I'm trying to make it to where I'm scared my snorkel's going under. They're already nice and tall. If they're nice and tall, my snorkels are struggling, I'm going to have to get taller snorkels. What is going on here? You know, whoa, holy shit, I'm falling off my quad. It's okay, we're back on it. 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 We're back up in, down in here. Oh boy, I know this thing gets soft on the bottom. Oh boy, oh boy. Don't know why in the fuck my damn cocksucking ass fucking camera stopped recording, but it fucking did. Didn't miss too much though. But that is some bullshit. Alright, back at it we go. And that's some bullshit. That's alright, Billy Bob Thornton does too. Who'da knew you'd have done the Bartle do. Woo! Ooh, that water's cold. Woo! Little water wheelie, little water wheelie. Little water wheelie, really. Really be big. Oh yeah. Whoa now. We're gonna try and find 7 lakes. I'll give a peek, a gander, a look around. And oh fuck. Yep. Yep. Maybe this is one Darren got stuck in that day. We'll see. He's gonna replay it with me. I think we're still on the bottom. Yeah, this ain't nothing. This ain't nothing. This ain't nothing for the old Eiger. You know what I'm saying? I hope you know what I'm saying, 'cause I don't have a clue what I'm talking about. All that shit looks deep, it ain't deep. It ain't deep. We went there last time. Oh, we gotta go to Redneck Car Wash after this. That's where we got to go. I almost want to turn around and go there right now. Alright, we got shit to explore. We got shit to explore. Again, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I've never ridden a full... Oh, we got some animal tracks. We got some animal tracks. He walked right through this shit. He said, fuck a puddle. He said, fuck a puddle. This is my house. In my house. Ooh, we got some green shit in the water. Green shit in the water. Isn't this fucking nice looking? I'm just driving my oily fucking machine through it. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta let nature know. I come in peace, but I have to do a water wheeler every now and then. For my tribe, so they know I don't fuck around. Well, I'll be a monkey. Look at all this nature. Look at all this nature. Look at all this. We going right through there. We going right through there. You know, everybody's talking about, I think I said this last time. They're talking about all these big old tires you need, spend all this money. I got these Amazon specials. And they're doing fucking great. They're doing absolutely fantastic, I must say. I must say. Woo, woo, woo. This way looks cool. I'm coming out here. Get to where we're going right now. I was told this is 7 lakes, potentially. Oh, that looks gooky. Gooky mooky. Someone's setting me up for failure. I have no brakes, by the way. It's okay. Ain't no fucking way I'm making it through that shit. Unfamiliar territory. This looks fucking dangerous. I tell you what, this looks fucking dangerous, boys. I am pissing my shit. I'm shitting in my piss. I'm pissing while I shit, and I'm shitting while I'm pissing 2 shits. I don't give 2 shits. I'm about to piss. Well, I'll be damned, ain't nobody down here. Now, eyes don't be nosing much of nothing. But if I had to guess, this is a soft bottom. I'm not sure, though. So I go through the middle and figure it out? Do I stand here and give a feel? This thing floats, buddy. This thing fucking floats. We'll figure out one way or another. We're making it though. I don't know why they want us to fail, but the Eiger just won't allow it. Yeah, this ain't no 7 legs bullshit. I'm going to the redneck car wash. I tell you what. I'm telling you right now. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm just not 100% sure. The Eiger 400 is amphibious, but I don't know if I can trust it in mud. I don't have a winch. Let's go hay another way. Yay. What do you say, huh? What if we go? That's going where we just came from. Now, come on now. You just cotton picking little brain out, Cody. Jillaboo. Jillaboo, hickaboo. Goodaloo. You do the bottle do, bottle ski, bottle do. Side quest. Woo! The redneck car wash we go. I hope it's so deep back there. I might hang my dick out my shorts and just piss right now. I'm getting cleaned off. It's not going to be on the video. You can't see it. You wouldn't be able to see it if I tried to put it on the video. No, stuck in 4-wheel drive. Sorry. You can't get in 2-wheel drive. We're going this side this time. Whoa, buddy. Whoa, buddy. Whoa, whoa, hey, oh. Come on now. Come on now. You can do it. You can do it. Let's go this way. We already went that way, Billy Bob Thornton does too. Done told you how he's going to the bottle do. Ooh, woo. Whoa, hold me down. Send me to Pound Town. We're in the water and we deep, boy. We might hit here. I think I just ran over a gator dick. Woo! Alright. Alright. I could go that way, but I don't want to go that way. I want to go this way. I think this way looks a little dangerous, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Where's it? Whoa! 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 Whoa, buddy, you should have just turned around. There's too much. Whoa, fuck. Oh, shit. This might be the one. Ooh, thought we were getting fucked. Thought we were getting fucked. Uh-oh. If anything has a high rut, I'd imagine this would be the one, son. Try and fix the 4-wheel drive. My luck, I get it stuck in 2-wheel drive when I need it in 4. Well, shoot, boy. Shoot, boy. Shoot, boy. You ain't even knowing, shoot, you know what I'm saying? Shoot. Who's out of that one now? Who's out of that one now? Come on now. Come on. Whoa. Whoa, 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 and here we go, go, go. Yep. She likes it. She fucking likes it. I tell you, she gets wet. Yeah, she gets wet. I'll tell you right now. I you know, why not? I can tell you about that. Ain't no problem. She gets wet. Might be a little heated there. I'm letting you know all that, but she gets wet. Come on now. Come on now. Let's go. Don't know where to go. Who's going? Where to go? Go to go. Go to who there? Holy shit. About fell off the side of the fucking earth. You know, because it's flat. think it's not flat, you're a fucking fool. You believe anything anyone ever tells you, huh? I tell you what, I believe what everybody told me in order to get this thing fucking waterproof. I'm glad I listened. I tell you what. If I told you then, I'll tell you now. Woo! My fucking foot peg is fucking zip tied on, alright? That has nothing to do with what I was talking about, flat earth, but like, you know what I'm saying and shit? Yeah. In the hole we go. In the hole we go. Come on now. Go on, you can do it. Don't be shy. Show them what you got. Show them what you got. That's right, you like that shit. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, you get, oh, nah. Yeah, that's nice right there. I tell you what. That's real nice. That's real nice. Look at that tree with the bug on it. I'm gonna eat me that bug. That's my bug. He knew I was coming. He's not dead. He's inside of me doing his job. Rearranging shit, making sure I'm all in order. I got the organizer bug inside me. Organizer bug. They reorganize your organization. Go through your their file cabinet, throw out all that old porno memory, and put in some new memories to use on the Eiger going through the deep. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. I see footprints of a dog. About left my snorkels hit me in the face. Oh, shit. Don't stop now. Don't quit on me now. We done been through all this. I ain't skipping nobody. We ain't skipping nobody now. I know where I speed. Alright, let's go ahead and put her in low. See how far she'll go. Come on now. Woo, we're going deep, boys. We're going deep. Not too deep. Come on now, you don't want to hurt her now. Now fuck that, go deep. It's about us, not them. Woo! Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Right there, boys. Right there. That's what I call pretty deep. But not deep enough. It's never enough. I want more. I want more. Give me more. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. I feel that water on my there nuts. I'm gonna take a piss in this here water. I'm taking a piss in this here water. Don't cancel me now. What you don't know won't hurt. Oh, I just ran over. Just ran over Gator. Woo! Ran over Gator Dick. Up the middle we go. Is it deep? I don't know. I'm sure we'll figure out soon enough. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, she wants it. She wants it. This ain't me. This ain't me. This ain't me. Come on now. You gotta listen to what I tell you. I told you before, I ain't got no control over the water wheel. Sometimes it just takes over. Taking control. I got an amoeba up my pee hole that's sucking onto my brain right now. I ain't really all here. This is the amoeba talking, not me. I'm sort of in the background. I can control some stuff, but not everything. I mainly got control over nothing. I can't control nothing. Oh, up we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ho, ho, ho. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. Go on deep now. I will play some music in my there speaker, but one, I'm making a video. Can't play music and make a video at the same time. Or record. I'm not making a video, I'm just recording. Oh, shit! Unexpected. Unexpected. Down, girl, bad. You can't be doing that shit all the time. You can't be doing that shit there all the time. Whoa, she's not mad at me. Okay, you do what you want. You do what you want now. Woo! Oh, she wants more. Spicy. She's spicy. Ho, 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 hey. Down, down we go. Who else would know? Holy fuck, this shit is deep. Whoa, we're going sideways, boys. We're going fucking Jesus fucking Christ. Take the handlebars. Can you ride your bike with no handlebars like Jesus could? It's in the Bible about how he used to ride his bike. Whoa. What the fuck is going on here? What the fuck? This is some outrageous bullshit. Okay. I don't blame you on that. I don't blame you on that one now. I don't blame you on that one now. I don't blame you on that one at all. Not even for a second, I don't. Guys, we're eye level with the gators. They know I piss in their water, and they're not mad at me, actually. They kind of respect me for it. But I don't want to be initiated in any type of gang violence. I don't talk bad, but when I do, bitch, it's about you. Took everything I ever had from me. I don't want you. Woo! How about the middle of this one here? I think it might be too deep for us. What? I ain't never heard them words in a sentence before. Therefore, I do not understand. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, are we stuck? Hell no. Hell no. I can't stop. Told that talk. Come on now, you told that talk, dude. Woo! Having a good old time. Up ahead, it looks like we got more water. Let's figure it out, boys. Shoot. I hope we got enough gas for this here expedition. I'll be honest, I'm not too sure myself. Where'd all the frogs go? I'm gonna say hey to the frogs. Say ribbity boo bop dee bop bop bo. Wop bop 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 bop. Will I ever shut my motherfucking mouth? I started off horrible at the beginning of this video, but by the time I hit the water, that action just comes out and it cannot be stopped. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I tell you what. I've been done told you. I don't need to tell you again. But I tell you what, you know. Having ourselves a good old time. Uh-oh, Billy Bob. Suzanne, I don't know if we're going to make this one. Why do I always go with Billy Bob? What about Hank? Hank ain't never did nothing wrong. Good old Hank. Old Hanky Hank. Come on now. Looks like I got some water in my vent lines. I'm going to have to figure that out ASAP. I know it's deep. Whoa, bitch. You fucking listen to me when I talk to you now. I know you like to do water wheels. Act up, you might have to pop in your there mouth. Let me go through this hole first, though. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Having a good old time. My name is Hank Ho Ho. Whoa. Come on now. Whoa. Come on now. Oh, Jesus. Take the handlebars. Send me through this here deep mud hole. Show me what I'm talking about. I'm going to set my motherfucking mouth. Woo! I got sand in my Crocs. Nice sunny day out. Getting my neck nice and red. I should have done took my shirt off. Come on now. We get making it out to the redneck car wash. Redneck car wash. Woo! Come on now. We got visitors. We got them there visitors. Should I holler at them? Let me go talk to them real quick. Yeah, you want to see where to cross? Are you trying to cross? Alright, I'll go through the middle. If I don't sink it, it's a bad day. I hope I can make it. A challenger has arose. Oh shit! I need taller snorkels. I'm not worried about that seat. But now I feel defeated. Do I keep going? I gotta conquer the deep end. Yeah. What did I hit exactly? That was deep. I can get that anytime. I have an idea. Maybe if I start at the deeper part, it'll be easier. Holy shit, boys. We were snorkeled in there, bud. I just need some more weight on the back. I figured it out. I hope. Holy shit, the current! Now, if I start falling to the side, I might be fucked. Oh, shit. We done did it this time, boys. We done did it this time. This is what I wanted, though. I asked for this. I fucking asked for it. Right here. Polo. There we are. That current got too strong. It took me away.
You got your seat?
No.
That shit's gone, ain't it?
I'll have to get it another time.
Hey, I'm gonna throw you a rope. Hold up.
This current's fucking strong, buddy.
Yeah, I don't know about that seat now.
Fuck the seat.
Shut off or you shut it off? Okay.
It went upside down.
Oh shit, we missed the best part.
Whoa now. Come here. You'd be surprised how many times I've had this thing full of water. Holy shit.
Next time you try deep holes, you need to take the fucking seat off first. I would take the snorkels completely off at this point. Fuck it. You're gonna flip it again.
Where did you guys come in at?
I ain't gonna tell you all that. I barely even know you, Ben.
How long you guys been out here?
5 minutes. Just I mean, we literally came off Pine, came straight back here, looking for you. We knew this. We had a feeling. We actually said it. We got a feeling something out there fucking around. We might want to go save. We didn't know it was gonna be Ben fucking around. There's nothing you can do worse than what you just did. That was literally just uphill from here. That was worst case scenario. What gets worse than that? We ain't done riding. I don't think too many people can cross that motherfucker.
current. It's just the current's fault. It's the only reason why we failed today. The fuck is this shit? And behold, me trying to stop my recording on the sidewalk, I fucking hit a sign and went over the handlebars. But four-wheel also flipped. Still drives straight. Still ready to go through a water hole, but girl, you ain't got the straws on you. I'm gonna put some new straws on you. Ah, damn. Lap bar's okay. She sounds like she's running a little hot. I don't know what's going on now. Till the next episode, when I re-snorkel and come back out after the next hurricane. All right.